Welcome viewers. Second language English SSLC State Level Preparatory Examination 1 2026. Key answers are presented by Dr. Sri Chachani Residential High School, Guluru. To save the time, I will be just rushing through the answers only. Yeah, first main, first question. Correct answer is option B. Aren't they? Second question, correct answer is option C, to grow. Third question, correct answer is option D, giving a instruction. Question number 4, correct answer is option D, would have. I hope first main answers are clear. We will be focusing on first main, second main, third main, sixth main, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 14th main alone. Second main, question number 5, correct answer is ago. Sixth question, correct answer is he is so young that he cannot drive a car. Seventh question, correct answer is cow is the useful animal. Eighth question, correct answer is noun. Ninth question, correct answer is I respect both farmers and soldiers. Tenth question, correct answer is I have been learning music since 2022. 11th question, correct answer is when I came house, I saw that mother was cooking. 12th question, correct answer is the computer is wonderful invention of Charles Babbage. 13th question, correct answer is I called my brother yesterday. You can see the grammar components and can award marks to this question. 14th question, correct answer is Satish is greater than any other artist in India. Question number 15, correct answer is tea is being prepared by Gopi. Question number 16, correct answer is mother asked Rajesh if he would do this work then. Correct answer to third main, question number 17. Sub question A is word soft has to be changed softly, and correct answer to sub question B, an apostrophe has to be added to Sushila's name. Next to Sushila, before S, an apostrophe has to be added. Final answer to question number 17 is like this. Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Raka knocked softly on the door of Aunt Sushila's apartment. With this, we have completed the third main. Let's begin with the sixth main, which is related to extracts. Question number 27, sub question A. Correct answer is Baleshwar Mishra. Sub question B, correct answer is the Gujarati tempo truck driver. Sub question number C, correct answer is to call and inform Dinesh Telreja about Roma Telreja. Question number 28, sub question A, correct answer is the word I refer to Pepe. Sub question B, the word them refer to seamen. Sub question C, answer is as the seamen drank too much and revolted against Columbus. Question number 29, sub question A, correct answer is Satish father or Avatar Narayan. Sub question B, correct answer is due to frequent absence to school and hearing problem, the school in which Satish was studying refused to keep him. Hence, he had to look for a new school. Sub-question C, correct answer is to look for means search or find out. Question number 30, sub-question A, correct answer is the poet Norman Nicholson. Correct answer to sub-question B is he was uncertain about his return from space. Sub-question C, correct answer is when he was ready to go to outer space. Now let's focus on seventh main, question number 31, which is related to profile writing. Maybe teacher can see the language structure and award the marks. I have written a simple one. I will just read out for you. This paragraph is about the profile of Rabindranath Tagore. He is known as Gurudev in Bengal. He was born on 7th May 1861. His parents were Devendranath Tagore and Sarala Devi. He was writer, painter, and singer. His notable works are Geetanjali, Janaganamana, Rabindra Sangita, and Amar Sonar, Bengal. He was awarded with the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He passed away on 7th August 1941. Let's move on and discuss about eighth main, question number 32, which is pertaining to story development. I have prepared a simple one. I will just read it out for you. Teachers are requested to see the grammar components and language structure and can award the marks to this question. I will just read what I have prepared. Once upon a time, there was a lion. It was sleeping. A mouse was running up and down on lion. It awakened the lion. The angry lion caught the mouse. The tiny mouse begged a lion as pardon O king and cried. The kind lion lifted his paw and let mouse go. After few days, hunters captured the lion by net. The lion was roaring in pain for help. The little mouse passed by the road, ran to him. He chewed the ropes of the net and saved the king of jungle was freed. Finally, lion thanked the mouse. Now let's move on and see the ninth main, question number 33, which is related to picture description. Again, teachers can see the grammatical structure of the sentences and award mark. I have prepared a simple one. I will read it out for you. A picture is worth of thousand words. This picture is about a village. There are many huts. One can see many trees behind the huts. Women are working. People are fetching water from hand pump. Animals are moving here and there. Children are playing. This picture describes the village life. With this, we are done with the question number 33. Let's move on. Ninth main, question number 34 is pertaining to memorization. Direct question. I am not going to say any answer to it. You can find out from the textbook. Textbook. 11th main, question number 35. Sub question A. Correct answer is he did not leave the first compartment, which was reserved for the white passengers. Hence, he was thrown out of the compartment. Sub question B. Correct answer is like this, because the white man sleeping there might insult him further. Pertaining to 14th main, question number 38. I request you to see the steps of official letter and personal letter and award the marks based on the completeness of language. I would like to thank the viewers who watched this video completely, and I request you to forward this video with the students who are studying in SSLC. Thank you.